So next is add M instructions, that is add memory to accumulator. So what this instruction does, see here, format of instruction is it adds the content of HL register plus accumulator and result is stored in A. See here in a first block. Then addressing mode is it contains register addressing, register indirect addressing modes. Addressing mode point is already covered. So if you have any query, then check out that video for addressing modes. Then group, this is a arithmetic group instruction. It contains 1 byte and all flags are affected by this instruction. So see here what is the function of this instruction. The content of accumulator added to the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL pair. So memory always points with HL pair. So remember that sentence, whenever HL pair comes, it always points the memory. So result is stored in a placed in a accumulator and all flags may be affected. So here see examples. HL contains data A, B, C, D, H, that is 16 bit because the 8 bit for H, L for and 8 bit for L register because HL is a pair. Okay, so it stores 16 bit data. So data is A, B, C, D, H, H for hexadecimal. So A, B, C, D contains 35H and accumulator contains 05. Okay, so this is a data and you have to add this both data with HL plus accumulator. See here your 35 plus 05H that is your binary format. You have to add this both content and result will stored in a accumulator and flags are affected, that is sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag and carry flag according to the result. Then next instruction is ADC instructions, that is add register with carry to accumulator. So format of this is A plus R plus carry and result is stored in a accumulator. So addressing mode is register addressing mode. The contents of register are added to the content of accumulator and the content of the carry flag and result is stored in accumulator. So all the flags may be affected. R can be one of the register which will be A, B, C, D, E or H, or it may be L. Okay, so these registers is belongs to this register. So example, D is equals to 35H, A is equals to 05 and carry is 1. Then instruction A, D, C, D performs the following result. For 35 the binary is 0011 and 5 the binary format is 000010, and after adding a carry, then how to perform addition, you know, that is addition of binary numbers. We already covered in our previous sessions all these additions, so you can get the proper answer. And after execution, accumulator contains 3BH and D is equals to 35. Okay, and according to it the flags are affected according to the result, that is S is equals to 0, Z is equals to 0, accumulator is equals to 0 and parity and carry flag is also 0. So again I am telling you this how to calculate flags are covered in previous lectures. Okay, so go through it. I only mention here how that the flags value. The next instruction is ADCM, that is add memory with carry to accumulator. So the contents of accumulator are added to the content of a memory location whose address is stored in a HL pair and content of carry flags. The result is placed in accumulator and all flags may be affected. Okay, so format of this is see here. Here we have to add A plus HL plus CY, that is a carry, and result is stored in a carry. You can understand all the instruction in 1 second in a format. देखो see here format of, so you can easily understand what happens here. Let's see the example, that is HL ABCD and is equals to 35, that this HL pair contains 35, A contains 05 and carry is 01. So after adding this, the content of accumulator is A is equals to 3BH, and according to the result of accumulator, the flags will be affected. So flags value are S is equals to 0, Z is equals to 0, auxiliary carry flag is equals to 0, and parity flag and carry flag is also 0. The next instruction is ADI data instructions, that is add immediate data to accumulator. So format of this instruction is A plus data. So you have to add content of accumulator plus given data, and this is a 2-byte instructions, and all flags are affected. See here I am taking same example so you can easily understand, means data will be same in all instructions. So see here again accumulator content 35, so instruction is ADI 05H, so 35 will be added in a 05 because our instruction is ADI. See here, so binary of 35 is 00110101 and 05 00000101. So after execution we will get 3H and your flags value is same. Okay, because our data is also same, no? So that's why our flags value is also same here as like previous instructions. You can check out in previous section instructions. So flag value is the same, that is S is equals to 0, Z is equals to 0 and auxiliary carry is equals to 0, parity is equals to 1 and CY is equals to 0. So if your MSB bit is 0, then S is 0 and your result is in the format, not in the format of 0. So its format is 1, means it contains some data. So your 0 flag is 0, and if your carry is generated to B3 to B4 bit, then your auxiliary carry is 0 and parity is 1, means number of ones is 4 here, so P is 1 and carry is not generated here, so your carry flag is 0. So again I am telling, go through for previous video for how to calculate this flag value so you can understand. Then next is ACI instructions, that is add with carry immediate data to accumulator. So this instruction adds 8-bit immediate data in a second byte of instruction to the contents of accumulator and content of carry flag, and the result is stored in a accumulator and all flags are affected. See the examples. A is equals to 35H and carry is equals to 01. So after adding we will get the result, that is 3BH, that is 1011. So after execution, accumulator contains is 3BH, D contains same data, and S is equals to 0, Z is equals to 0, auxiliary carry is equals to 0, parity is equals to 0, and carry flag is 0. So this is our arithmetic instructions. Some other instructions is also remaining here, that will be we will see in a next lecture.